Jeera, also known as cumin, is a small yet powerful spice widely used in kitchens around the world, especially in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Latin American cuisines. Beyond its culinary appeal, jeera has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine due to its vast array of health benefits. This tiny seed is packed with essential nutrients and compounds that promote overall well-being, making it a staple in holistic health practices. Here, we will explore the remarkable benefits of jeera in detail, emphasizing how it positively impacts digestion, immunity, weight management, and more. 1. Boosts digestion. One of the most well-known benefits of jeera is its ability to aid in digestion. Jeera contains compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, particularly those involved in the breakdown of fats, sugars, and proteins. It is known to increase bile production in the liver, which helps in digesting food efficiently and prevents bloating and discomfort after meals. Improves enzyme activity. Jeera is rich in thymol, a compound that stimulates the gastric glands to produce more enzymes, which helps in breaking down food faster and more efficiently. Reduces bloating and gas. Regular consumption of jeera, whether in food or as jeera water, can reduce the chances of bloating and flatulence. Its carminative properties help in expelling gas from the intestines. Prevents indigestion. Drinking jeera water, especially in the morning, can help prevent indigestion and acidity, as it acts as a natural antacid. 2. Promotes weight loss. Jeera has been a popular ingredient in weight loss diets due to its ability to boost metabolism and improve fat digestion. Jeera water, in particular, is a simple and effective remedy for those looking to shed extra pounds. Enhances metabolism. Cumin seeds help in boosting the body's metabolism, allowing you to burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. A higher metabolism means that your body will process food faster and store less fat. Suppresses hunger. Jeera water can act as a natural appetite suppressant. Drinking it before meals can help reduce overeating by making you feel fuller sooner, leading to lower caloric intake. Reduces fat accumulation. Some studies suggest that jeera can target belly fat specifically, making it an excellent addition to any weight loss routine. The spice enhances fat breakdown, helping the body to use stored fat for energy. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Jeera is packed with powerful antioxidants, which help the body fight free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and damage to cells. The presence of antioxidants in cumin aids in protecting the body from various chronic conditions. Fights inflammation. The antioxidants in jeera have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often a precursor to chronic diseases such as arthritis and heart disease. Slows aging. By neutralizing free radicals, jeera helps to prevent premature aging of the skin and body. This means fewer wrinkles, fine lines, and other signs of aging. Supports cellular repair. Antioxidants aid in repairing and rejuvenating cells, contributing to overall vitality and better functioning of the body's organs. 4. Boosts immunity. Jeera is a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that collectively work to strengthen the immune system. Its immune-boosting properties make it a useful spice for preventing infections and diseases. Loaded with iron, cumin seeds are an excellent source of iron, which is crucial for the production of red blood cells. Iron deficiency can lead to anemia, fatigue, and a weakened immune system, so consuming jeera can help combat these issues. Vitamin C content. Jeera contains a significant amount of vitamin C, which plays a key role in boosting immunity. Vitamin C helps in the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Cumin has been found to possess antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help in defending the body against harmful pathogens and reduce the risk of infections. 5. Improves respiratory health. Jeera is often used as a natural remedy for respiratory issues due to its anti-congestive properties. It can help in clearing mucus from the airways. Natural decongestant. Jeera can help clear up nasal congestion, making it an effective remedy for those suffering from colds or allergies. Its expectorant properties help in loosening and expelling phlegm, making it easier to breathe and relieving symptoms of respiratory conditions. Bronchitis and asthma relief. Drinking warm jeera water or inhaling steam infused with cumin can help ease symptoms of bronchitis or asthma. The spice has bronchodilatory properties, which means it can help relax the muscles of the airway, making it easier to breathe. 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. Jeera has been found to be beneficial for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It helps in regulating blood sugar levels by influencing insulin production. Improves insulin sensitivity. Studies suggest that cumin can improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use glucose more effectively. This can help in controlling blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Lowers blood sugar. Regular consumption of cumin, either as a spice or in water, has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels. This makes it an excellent addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. 7. Promotes healthy skin. Jeera is also used in various beauty routines, thanks to its ability to improve skin health. Whether consumed or applied topically, jeera can give your skin a natural glow and fight off various skin conditions. Prevents acne. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of cumin help in preventing acne and pimples. Applying a paste of cumin powder mixed with water to the affected area can help reduce breakouts. Hydrates the skin. Cumin contains vitamin E, which is essential for keeping the skin hydrated and maintaining its elasticity. Drinking jeera water regularly can help nourish the skin from within. Reduces dark spots. The antioxidants in jeera help in reducing dark spots and pigmentation, giving the skin an even tone. 8. Aids in detoxification. Jeera is an excellent detoxifying agent that helps in flushing out toxins from the body. Its diuretic properties increase urine production, which assists in the elimination of waste and harmful substances. Cleanses the liver. Regular consumption of jeera supports liver function by helping in detoxifying the organ and improving bile secretion. A healthy liver is crucial for effective digestion and overall well-being. Eliminates toxins. Drinking jeera water acts as a natural detox drink that helps in purifying the blood and removing toxins from the body, leaving you feeling more energized. 9. Supports heart health. Heart health is another area where jeera shines. Its high antioxidant content, along with anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering properties, contributes to cardiovascular well-being. Lowers cholesterol. Jeera can help in reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, thus promoting heart health. This reduces the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Regulates blood pressure. The potassium content in jeera aids in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels by balancing the effects of sodium. This is important for preventing hypertension and related heart conditions. Conclusion. Incorporating jeera into your daily routine can bring numerous benefits to your health, from improving digestion and boosting immunity to promoting weight loss and enhancing skin health. Whether you consume it in your meals, drink jeera water, or apply it in beauty treatments, cumin is a versatile and potent ingredient that supports holistic wellness. With its long list of advantages, it's no wonder jeera has been revered for centuries as one of nature's most powerful healing spices. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.